A warm welcome to Tamara's garden. Thanks for visiting. Today's topic is best oxygen plants or the best air purification plants. Among all the beautiful house plants, which plant is best air purifier plants for home? When talking about air purifier plants, spider plants play a major role because spider plants are best air purifier plants. So had this beautiful green plant indoors as an indoor plant because this plant has been recommended by NASA too as a air purification plant. So from researchers, this plant has been proved that it is one of the best plants for your home garden. So add this green beauty indoors as an indoor plant. When it comes to air purification, peace lily also another plant which purifies the air. So add peace lily plant also in your home garden or add it as an indoor plant. This beautiful green plant not only beautifies and attracts your home but also purifies the air. So next in line is the peace lily plant as a air purifier. Snake plants. Snake plants also are good for air purification. So they are known for their ability of purification of the air. Even at night, these plants produce oxygen. So this is another oxygen plant which you can have in your home garden. Add this indoors as well. There are many varieties of snake plants too. So add this green beauty indoors as an indoor plant because this purifies the next air purification plant is the golden pothos. Golden pothos is one of the air purifier plants that you must have in your garden. Golden pothos. Golden pothos is one of the plants that you must have in your garden as an air purification plant. This wonderful plant not only gives an attraction but also purifies the air. So in the list of air purification plants, golden pothos also plays a major role. Rubber plant is also known for the air purification abilities and also one of the plants that you must have in your home garden. Not only that, keep this plant as an indoor plant because this purifies the air. So this is another beautiful plant to add to your plants collection as a plant that purifies the air. Erica palm plant. This is another wonderful oxygen plant. Erica palm not only adds beauty to your garden but also purifies the air. This is one of the best air purification plants. Keep them indoors for better result. Aloe vera is another plant that you must have in your air purification plant list because aloe vera releasing oxygen at night and also absorbs carbon dioxide. So this is another beautiful plant which you must have in your garden or add it in your indoors as a indoor plant.